Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get those super handy indicator name labels right on your TradingView charts. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your chart, trying to remember which color belongs to which indicator line, you are absolutely going to love this feature. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn on indicator name labels in TradingView, making your analysis quicker and a lot less confusing. Alright, let's dive right in and get you set up. First, go ahead and open up TradingView in your web browser. If you haven't used it before, just type TradingView, come into your address bar and log into your account as you normally would. Even if you're brand new to the platform, don't worry, this will only take a minute or two. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, you'll want to find the Products tab up at the top left of the screen. Give that a click. It's easy to overlook, especially if you're used to jumping straight into charts, but this will make sure you're accessing the full set of TradingView features. Now here, where most people get a little tripped up, you want to make sure you're looking at your actual trading chart. So open a chart if you don't have one up already. Over on the right side of your chart, you'll see the price scale. This is the vertical axis where all the price numbers are listed. Take your mouse and hover over that price scale on the right. You'll notice a few options might start to appear depending on exactly where your mouse is. Hover for a second, don't rush. Sometimes the little pop-up menus can be a bit touchy and take a moment to show up, so don't worry if they don't appear instantly. With your mouse still on the price scale, right-click. A menu should pop up, and this is where the magic happens. In that menu, you'll notice an option that says Label. Go ahead and hover your mouse over that word. Don't click just yet. Instead, just hover over it to expand the next set of options. At this point, you'll see another option called Indicators and Financials Name Label. This is the feature we want. Click on this option to enable it. You might see a little check mark appear letting you know it's turned on. What this does is super useful. It puts the names of your indicators, like moving average, RSI, or whichever ones you've added, right on the chart next to their lines. So no more guessing which line refers to which indicator. If you're a visual person or you're juggling multiple indicators at once, this will save you a ton of time and headache. And that's honestly all there is to it. Once you've enabled this setting, you should immediately see those name labels appear on your chart, making your workspace much clearer and more organized. If you don't see them right away, try zooming in or out a bit, or even refreshing your chart. Sometimes TradingView needs a quick nudge to display newly applied settings. So there you have it, indicator name labels right on your TradingView chart in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another TradingView tip you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.